Hi guys, how are you? Hope everything is okay. This is your guy Yusuf. This is my new channel for used spare part and engine gearboxes. Today I'm gonna show you we have all type of Nuscat, Subaru, Peugeot, and we have offcut Mitsubishi. We have gearbox for Mitsubishi. Gearbox we have for Renault, for JK1 Renault. We have the Frisians, Mitsubishi gearbox. This offcut for the 56. The turbo up, turbo down, small turbo, clean engine, clean title. We have all type of Subaru engine, Suzuki engine, Subaru new model, Mazda 4N15, Isuzu, small spare part, everything. Doors, dashboards, everything. Feel free to contact us. See you in the next video.